Welcome to my Halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is EBI fry! Yay! EBI fry is deep fried prawn. Do you like prawn? I love it. And most of Japanese likes prawn from child to adult. When you think deep fry in Japanese cuisine, do you remember another something? Yes, it's tempura. Ebi tempura. Tempura also use prawn, but tempura never use breadcrumb. That is a different point from ebi fry and ebi tempura. Today's highlight is how to straighten the prawn. As you know, prawn will be round shape after heated, but ebi fry is very straight shape. Do you know why the ebi fry is so well mannered? I'll show you the secret of ebi fry. After you know these tips, you will be skilled to make ebi fry and ebi tempura also. And when you eat ebi fry, the best match sauce should be tartar sauce, I think. I have the balanced homemade mayonnaise. I will add some ingredients to mayonnaise to upgrade to tartar sauce today. Okay, shall we get started? In my video, I want to share many tips of Japanese cooking. I know that some Japanese food contains alcohol, so you cannot enjoy it. However, after watching this video, you can make halal Japanese food using local ingredients only. If you like this video and you want to open your own shop with my recipes, I'm very happy to support you. See below for more information if you need. Ingredients are prawn, egg, flour, breadcrumb. Here are the all ingredients I prepared today for tartar sauce. Mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, chopped boiled egg, onion. This onion is after chopped, sprinkle the salt and wait for a while and squeeze the water. This one, chopped pickle. Today I use RAKKYO shallot. Then salt. Just mix all ingredients in the bowl. You can use any kind of pickles as long as it has sweet sour taste. Whether you add yogurt to mayonnaise or not, up to you. However, I mentioned in the potato salad video, the yogurt and mayonnaise have good chemistry. I highly recommend it. Can you see? Then mix. And after that, seasoned by salt. But before add the salt, make sure to check the taste once, because mayonnaise is already seasoned and pickled also. Above all, since the main dish is deep fried prawn, the sauce should be light seasoning. Okay? Then pepper a little bit. Then dill weed, my favorite dill weed. Tartar sauce has done already. Take out the shell, but keep the tail and this one section. Like this. After that, place the prawn in the bowl and add potato starch and salt. Then rub gently. Rub them gently to clean and take out the fish smell. Like this. Then after that, rinse once. After rinse, cut open the bag a little bit and remove the innard. This one. Can you see? Clear already. Like this. Cut the tail a little bit and take out the water. Can I try? Cut little bit like this. So open the tail, then take out the water. Like this. Okay? Then keep here. One more time. Cut the edge of the tail a little bit. Then open the tail and take out the water. This is very important to prevent to splatter the oil. Place the prawn with its belly facing up and make 3 or 4 slice, no slice, and make 3 or 4 shallow cut and straighten by the finger. Okay, can I try? Belly facing up and little bit. Like this. Can you see? Very shallow, but cut the belly. Then after that, you straighten the meat. Maybe you can feel something to your finger as the prawn's meat is straightened. Like this. Actually, authentic method of deep fry prawn is flour over the prawn and dip it into the egg. After that, cover with breadcrumb. 3 steps. But I use egg butter always instead because using butter has merit. 1 step shortcut. 2, the aroma become more flavory owed to generous amount of egg. 3, since butter going to work as glue, breadcrumb will stick firmly. Beat the egg and add a little bit water, flour, then 1 pinch of salt. Then stir well. Thickness is like this. Can you see? Dip into the butter and take out the excess butter by the edge of the bowl and place the breadcrumb. After that, cover by breadcrumb and squeeze gently with breadcrumb and prawn together. Oil temperature is 180 degrees Celsius. Then the oil should be deep enough to cover the prawn. You can check 1 breadcrumb. So come out soon. So this is a good sign. Oil is okay, ready. So I wanna try one prawn. Put it into the oil slowly. Don't touch for first 1 minute. After 1 minute around, turn over. Another 1 minute. And on the paper. Can you see? Perfect. Can you see? Very straight. Then I know this is too bad manner, but I wanna try now because the best timing of frying food is when it's freshly fried. Right. I wanna try. いただきます. Oh, wait. Today, I wanna convey the crispy sound to you, so prepare the microphone. いただきます. Did you hear? I try to dip the tartar sauce also. My tartar sauce is less calorie version, so no worry about the fat. いただきます. Also nice. The sour sweet taste of tartar sauce is very suitable for any fried food. We have very famous chicken fried recipe with tartar sauce in Kyushu area. The name is chicken namban. And oyster fry with tartar sauce is very popular as winter season's delight in Japan. I'm going to up the video about this soon. Please look forward to it. Don't you have any balance of butter today? If you have, try to make tempura beads. Tempura beads is called agedama in Japanese. This agedama is very useful for other cooking. For example, for takoyaki, for okonomiyaki, and as topping with udon, etc. Since this agedama can keep in freezer until you use, so now you can make agedama while the oil is still hot. This one is a little bit sticky, so add little bit water. Please add little bit. Oh, good condition. Like this. Very watery. But this is okay for agedama. Oil temperature is same, almost 180 degrees Celsius. Then please prepare like this. I don't know the name. Net ladle to scoop the agedama. Before making the agedama, take out the crumb from the oil. Your finger into the butter and drop on the oil like this. You can feel crispy surface of agedama. It's okay. scoop out. Like this. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos.